अमेरिका में चुनावी रेस के नतीजे आने में कुछ ही घंटे का वक्त बचा हुआ है और अब दोनों ही खेमे सांस रोक के इंतजार कर रहे हैं कि आखिर नतीजे किसके हक में आने वाले हैं। लेकिन जो इलेक्शन वॉच पार्टीज हैं, दोनों की तैयारी हो चुकी है। कमला हैरिस अपनी इलेक्शन वॉच पार्टी वॉशिंगटन डीसी में कर रही हैं और डोनाल्ड ट्रंप जो हैं वो अपने समर्थकों के साथ फ्लोरिडा में चुनाव नतीजे देख रहे हैं। हमारे साथ रमेश कपूर हैं जो कि डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी में खासी दखल भी रखते हैं और साथ ही कमला हैरिस की जो राजनीतिक यात्रा है उसके अंदर एक तरीके से उनके सहयोगी भी रहे हैं, उनकी फंड रेजिंग से लेकर उनके राष्ट्रपति पद की दावेदारी तक। सर, कमला हैरिस की राजनीतिक यात्रा में आपकी एक बड़ी सहयोगी की भूमिका रही, लेकिन क्या अमेरिका एक महिला राष्ट्रपति के लिए तैयार है?
Oh, absolutely. You know, the Hillary Clinton came close last time to almost get elected. All right, so she has already broken the glass ceiling. Now, you know, Kamala Harris is starting from a high point that Hillary had done. So yes, the country is ready. More important, the women of America are really ready for it. And then the youth is excited about it. And of course, the black community that's excited, and now the Hispanics are also getting excited. And the immigrants that are there. I mean, this is a huge country of immigrants. And she's just, her mother was the first generation Indian American over here.
Yeah.
And that itself is there. Also, you know, her mother being a Hindu, so you have that section of Hindus are also supporting. And I was in Michigan recently, and there are 38 temples in India. So I was able to talk to all the trustees of these temples, and of course I know Kamala Harris the longest from any Indian American community. You know, when she ran for the Senate, I did a fundraiser in my house because she's my DNA, right? She's Indian American, and that's what excited me. And then she ran for the presidency. But I know Biden. I knew Biden since 1995. I did the civil nuclear deal with him in 2005. But he was foreign relations, chair of the foreign relations committee. I needed him because of U.S.-India relationship, and he was always pro-India. Biden, when during Carter's time, when India exploded the Pokhran 1.
कमला हैरिस भारत के लिए कैसी होंगी, इस सवाल पर तो मैं आऊंगा, लेकिन उससे पहले कमला हैरिस अमेरिका की राष्ट्रपति के तौर पर कैसे अलग होंगी? क्या, चूंकि आप उनकी राजनीतिक यात्रा भी जानते हैं, उनके राजनीतिक विचार भी जानते हैं, अभी तक ये कहा जाता रहा कि बाइडेन चूंकि राष्ट्रपति थे, कमला हैरिस को वो मौका नहीं मिला जो वो करना चाहती हैं। राष्ट्रपति अगर वो बनती हैं तो वो ऐसा क्या करेंगी जो कि अमेरिका के इतिहास के अंदर अलग होगा, कमला हैरिस की एक अलग जगह बनाएगा?
Well, that's what it's important with the Indian diaspora. Okay, how do they? We have supported her. How are they pushing? It's a little more education than Biden. Biden had a long-term relationship with India. Okay, I mean, and of course she has long-term relationship. When Modi was over here, he talked about very emotionally about India. All right.
Yeah.
And when I did the fundraiser, the first fundraiser when I did, and I said, you know, I want you to know that 4 million Indian Americans consider you one of our own. Okay, she didn't say much. But then I said, I want you to know that at that time it was 1.2 billion people, it's more now, 1.2 billion Indians and Mother India consider you one of your own. And when I said that, she put her hands up, yes! And she jumped up. Okay? Those are the moments that you are not scripted and everything. So that's when I knew, okay, she is going to be pro-India, okay, all right? Of course, as a president, she has to balance it. But the relationship will be even better than United States and Israel. That's what I feel.
आपको ऐसा लगता है?
Oh, yeah, absolutely. Because you know the little things that people give away. Then then of course I raised money for her when she president when she ran the first
सर,
time.
आप भारत यूएस सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के भी फाउंडर हैं। आप एग्जैक्टली आप उसे भी
2005.
एग्जैक्टली लेकिन कमला हैरिस को लेकर जो धारणा है, जो आम मान्यता है, भारत में भी जितने लोगों से आप बात करें, लोगों के मन में एक आशंका है और लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि शायद डोनाल्ड ट्रंप भारत के लिए ज्यादा अच्छे होंगे और रिपब्लिकन एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन हिस्टोरिकली भारत के लिए ज्यादा अच्छे रहे। अगर बीते 2-2.5 डेकेड्स की हम देखें, या तो सिविल न्यूक्लियर डील जॉर्ज डब्ल्यू बुश के जूनियर के समय में मिली, तो ऐसे में कमला हैरिस को लेकर लोगों के मन में जो आशंका के सवाल हैं, उन सवालों को आप कैसे दूर करते हैं?
Like I said, okay, I gave you one incident how he feels. Okay. Then the other incident is that we did Diwali function for the first time, and it was a spectacular Diwali function she did. Okay, and she was wearing bangles. Okay, and I saw her in Boston after that because whenever she used to visit Boston, people would call, and I would get about 5-7 minutes to talk to her about different issues. And when she came to Boston, I said, that was the best Diwali function I've ever been. And she said, I planned every bit of it. She didn't delegate it. Okay? So those are the incidences that you see in people where I understand and what she
यानी
really thinks about
एक
it.
इंडियन अमेरिकन होने के नाते आप वो थ्रेड्स वो चीजें देख सकते हैं जो कि एक दूसरे फेलो इंडियन अमेरिकन के अंदर हैं कि वो थ्रेड्स कहां से आ रहे हैं, ये कहना चाह रहे हैं हम?
Yeah, it's coming back to her roots and her mother. All right, and of course she's American, and I would say she's probably 20% Christians and 80% Hindu. All right.
She's 20% Christian and
80% Hindu. Okay, I know it. I can see it. Okay, because I did. I understand the Hinduism because I'm making sure that Hinduism is well represented in the Democratic Party. Also, that's why the caste bill. I was able to get caste bill vetoed by what do you call Gavin, Governor Gavin. That was passed. Okay, I was the first one that got a Hindu priest.
At the DNC.
At the DNC, 5 years. But I think when I got the green light, when I started to feel comfortable, when she was the nominee, okay, when she was accepted as the nominee before even winning it, I think that was the reason, because I told the DNC chair, and I was speaking to the White House too, and I said, Kamala Harris is I always call her Kamala Devi Harris, okay? Because that's what her name is.
Exactly. आपने एक वेबसाइट भी मैंने देखी, आप लोगों ने जिसको आप लोग अपडेट करते हैं, कमला देवी हैरिस.
Correct.
तो आप कमला देवी हैरिस.
That's what her name is. Okay, I'm not making it up. That's what her name is. Okay, and so that's where when I talked to the chairman of the DNC and at the White House, I said, her mother was raised a Hindu. And that's when things started to move more, and the thing, that's what. So the technically the priest that came in, yes, I'm taking credit for it, but it was, the cards were right. When she was a nominee, I think the DNC felt when I said that, mother is Hindu, was raised Hindu, right? They started to feel that they should have a Hindu priest. And that was the first time we had. Republicans have never had any. Okay? They might talk big. And as a matter of fact, there was a Republican woman that was saying a prayer. She was booed in the Republican Party at the convention. Were you aware of that?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's always perception.
Exactly. आपने बिल्कुल सही कहा कि ये परसेप्शन का ज्यादा मामला है.
That's right.
लेकिन परसेप्शन को ठीक करने के लिए कमला हैरिस ने भी उतना प्रयास नहीं किया, ऐसा कहा जाता है.
Right.
तो उसमें क्या लोगों को इसलिए लगता है कि कमला हैरिस अगर राष्ट्रपति बनती है, व्हाइट हाउस में पहुंचती हैं, तो क्या वो इस परसेप्शन को ठीक करेंगी? क्योंकि वैसे भी आप चूंकि सिक्योरिटी काउंसिल के इश्यूज देखते हैं, इंडिया यूएस रिलेशनशिप को, अगले साल क्वाड की मीटिंग होनी है और क्वाड के लिए यूएस प्रेसिडेंट को भारत ट्रैवल करना होगा.
Correct. Yeah. And she will travel. Okay, I mean, she is, at the end of the day, she was a vice president for Biden. She picked up a lot of things. But her concept, when she looks at things, she's looking at the total picture. Okay, with the thing, and that's a style. Okay, she's not going to put publicly be on one side or the. For example, the Gaza situation, right? Israel, yes, she's for Israel, but she feels that it should be fair on the other side too. All right. So that's where but I think what will happen is folks like me that know her for a long time, have supported her 100%, is our job to educate her more. It was easy for Biden. Okay, Biden had a long-term relationship with India. He always wanted to be. So this will be a more of a education part, more, and at the end of the day, India is critical to United States national security. She understands it. She knows it, right? So that's what the part that she will do. And even if she doesn't have to say, the very fact that she's Indian American, you don't have to say anything.
Absolutely.
You want to say that how great you are. I'm sure opposition will look at her and say she's Indian American.
कमला ने इस चीज का जिक्र तो कई बार किया कमला हैरिस ने कि कैसे वो अपने नाना के यहाँ पे तमिलनाडु में जाया करती थी, बचपन में किस तरीके का माहौल मिला, तो भारत के साथ रूट्स का जिक्र उन्होंने जरूर किया है। मैं आता हूं अब चुनावी गणित पे, क्योंकि अभी भी नतीजे आना बाकी हैं। आपका कॉन्फिडेंस जरूर है, लेकिन अभी नतीजे आना बाकी हैं। आपको क्यों लगता है कि कमला हैरिस जो है वो इस रेस के अंदर, क्योंकि बहुत नेक टू नेक की रेस मानी जा रही है, आपको क्यों लगता है कि कमला हैरिस ये रेस जीत जाएंगी, जबकि कई लोगों का ये कहना है डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी में भी कि कमला हैरिस को उतना वक्त नहीं मिला, महज 90 दिन पहले तो उनका कैंडिडेसी अनाउंस हुई।
You see, last time we had a discussion and I told you who was going to win, and I was correct. Correct?
Yes.
Okay, all right. Even to the level of state senators, I said we will tie it, okay, and we got one more senator, right? And the House that I talked about. See, I've been doing this since 1986 nationally, okay? I spent a lot of time understanding. A lot of times, these polls and everything, they never look at the bigger picture, okay? See, when the wave starts, all right, there'll be up and down, up and down. But once that wave has started, all the person candidate is riding. And 2016, when I did the fundraiser with Kamala Harris, in January of 2016, Trump became the president November that year. I said to her when I did the fundraiser, I said, Trump is going to be the next president, and you are going to be future president. Because I can see all the candidates I've seen, who has the potential, who has to be.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर बेल आइकन दबाएं, और Facebook पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें। 8 मिलियन प्लस सब्सक्राइबर, आपके इस भरोसे के लिए बहुत धन्यवाद।